Hey there, it's Hanna with WTI, and this is the third and final installment of the Illuminae files. This is Obsidio by Amie Kaufman and Kristoff. And if you loved the first two books, then you are going to love this one. It is such a satisfying conclusion to the Illuminae story. If you are a fan of young adult, a fan of sci-fi, you are going to just eat this up. I absolutely love how these stories are told through different things like chats, through redacted files, through drawings. You even get to see things from the AI, and it is just so cool. I love all of the little illustrations that are thrown throughout here. It really makes reading these books so much fun, and you never know what's going to happen when you turn the page. You're never sure what's going to be on the next page. It is so much fun to read, and like I said, if you read the first two, you have to read this one. You are absolutely going to love Obsidio. I loved it. I love this series. I think it is absolutely amazing, and that is my point of view.